I used to think we had to travel far to find adventure and amazing places, and I would spend many an hour planning and plotting our escape. But look at these views from our own backyard. Our province is over 944,000 square kilometers. It's bigger than France and Germany combined and almost 4 times the size of Great Britain. Loads of opportunities for adventure here. Now, my plan is to research some great local trails, load up the Bike Fridays, and head out on some adventures.
Ding me! You're supposed to bell me when you go by.
On a sunny day in June, we headed to the South Okanagan to cycle some rail trails. Happy to escape the chaos, we retreated to some lovely views along the way. Our destination was a provincial park located a few kilometers north of the town of Oliver. A small park with only 7 sites and costing only $18 a night. It felt a bit deserted except for the abundance of birds and the few deer passing through.
So this around here.
The park was full of poison ivy. The Okanagan River flows by, and it was moving pretty fast. Our site was large and secluded, and surrounded by cottonwood trees. We appreciated the quiet of the park, but there was no sleeping in on this trip.
Quail alarm clock.
Guess what?
What?
It's cold. No.
I even have my toque on. Today we will be cycling the International Hike and Bike Trail. It's just over 18 kilometers one way and follows the Okanagan River channel as it flows south to Osoyoos Lake. It passes through many orchards and vineyards and also the lovely town of Oliver with its many parks and green spaces. The trail is well used by hikers and bikers alike. We start our ride from the campground, accessing the trail just over the McAlpine Bridge.
Good morning. Good morning. Hello, puppy.
A good portion of the trail is paved, but it's also pretty rough. Tree roots and frost heaves have left their mark, making for a very bumpy ride in places. I think the rail trails are great for beginner cyclists like myself. Keeps you separated from all that busy traffic and the noise. I'll take this any day over this. And they are typically an easy, flat ride. We saw lots of wildlife along the path.
Flies.
Eagles, turtles, squirrels, and snakes. I believe it was a gopher snake, like this one. They can grow to be 2 meters long and will bite if they are threatened, although not poisonous. Thank goodness it wasn't a rattlesnake.
If you want to, I'll get you flowers waiting around the bend. Baby, let's just pretend wanna stay right here with you. As the rest we fall until it all breaks down. But I need it so I will stay around. When you're all messed up, it's a great relief to be understood. It's a shame still waters run deep. So let us walk right into the forest, to the trees and the rising sun. It is something we can't outrun. I do whatever it takes to hold you, whatever it takes to you. Wanna be in this game for two. When it all comes down, do you feel alive? Are you feeling lost? You were made to fly, but you're so much more than a memory. It is not easy. It's a shame still waters run deep.
Squirrel.
As the rest we fall till it all breaks down. But I need it so I will stay around. And when you're all messed up, it's a great relief to be understood. It's a shame still waters run deep. What the hell? Still waters run deep. Listen up now. When it all comes down, do you feel alive? Are you feeling lost? That you were made to fight, but you're so much more than a memory. It's not easy. You were made to fight. It's a shame. Still waters run deep.
Oops. Paw Rob.
Yeah. Guess that one's still going.
Today we will be cycling part of the KVR trail, the South Spur, from Okanagan Falls to Penticton. It is around 26 kilometers return, and the majority is gravel, fairly rough in places, and single track for a portion of it. It hugs the shoreline of Skaha Lake and offers wonderful views. It will be a good test for the Bike Fridays. Let's see how they perform. well. Uh-oh. Handy guy to have around.
That's me.
Mr. Fix-It.
Handy Rob, seeing that. Almost looks like
Let's talk a little bit about Bike Fridays. Our tandem and both our single Bike Fridays fold, making it easier to travel with. They come apart and fit into suitcases too. They have 20-inch wheels, and they say because of the length of the spokes, they are stronger and can also carry more weight. Let me introduce you to Fred. We met Fred a couple of years ago while he was doing a tour of the Yucatan on his fully loaded Bike Friday. Fred is a really interesting guy and has toured extensively with his bike to many different places. If you're interested in reading about Fred's adventures, go over to Crazy Guy on a Bike forum and look him up. Thanks for the inspiration, Fred. I have to admit, we get some curious looks from people when we are out riding. I suppose it looks a bit odd, as if we are riding a kid's bike, but we also get lots of questions and positive comments too.
Good morning.
Often there is this misconception that because of the smaller wheels, you have to pedal more or that you are slower, but this is just not true. And it has something to do with the gear ratio, which I know nothing about or understand.
Let's see what
Google
we
is your friend, my friends. Go check it out. All I know is my bike travels plenty fast enough and can climb hills pretty good, even with my limited skills and fitness. How did the Bike Fridays perform on this rougher trail today? Well, better than my phone did.
You're lucky then.
It didn't break?
It didn't damage the screen.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe it.
That's why you have these, I guess.
Lucky. Well, I'm going to do that up. Oh, my helmet's not on. I better turn it on, but I can't reach up right now. It wasn't all smooth sailing. Oh. But there was something waiting for me at the finish line that kept me going, and I made a beeline for it. Can you guess what it was? And no trip would be complete without a stop for ice cream.
That's right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you.
2 small 3-cream coffees.
Thank you. Perfect. Have a good day.
Good day.